Yeah, it was about 3 months ago. We were at Cofton at Dawlish, and we were out for a little jolly, and we bumped into the guy that owns this Ladies Mile. So we had to come down and have a check it out. So we've rocked up. What is it now? Just into January. So that's where we're at the moment. It looks pretty sort of all pretty calm today. There's not many people about on the camping and stuff. There's a couple of motorhomes and stuff down through. But yeah, we just walked off the reception down over there, and basically we've just pulled in, and she said, yeah, just help yourself to any of these pitches up through here. They've all got like water and electricity. So we've just come in and paid £19, and yeah, so it'll be interesting to see what well, we're literally so I think there's a toilet. I haven't even wandered around yet, so I think there's a toilet block over the back there. They've got a big swimming pool complex and all that sort of thing. Like in the summer, like there's water slides and stuff like that down there. I'll just rip round here quickly, and they have a big park for kids and all that sort of stuff. Usual kind of scenario. There's loads of permanent caravans down through here, all tucked up, and yeah, there's the amenities block, I think, down there. There's plenty of rubbish bins around, you know the score. I don't get into shower blocks and stuff too much, but you can guarantee it's all pretty tickety-boo, I should imagine. But so apart from that, yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to have a quick coffee a minute, and then we're going to get our boots on and head down towards Dawlish Warren and check out what's going on. Yeah, see what's happening. It could be a bit of a wet afternoon in Devon, I think, but we're not bothered. We're not doing much else, so we're just ripping around Dawlish. Happy days. Yeah, so while we were just waiting for the rain to stop, which I think it has actually stopped now at Dawlish. No, it hadn't. No, it hadn't. So yeah, while we're waiting for the rain to stop before we make a break, and yeah, we've just had these come through from Nebo, and we ordered them up actually before our Christmas trip, but when we got back they arrived. But these are these motion sensor lights, which are, I've just ripped open the packaging, and so yeah, so they're little units like this with a little bit of sticky tape on the back, sticky adhesive pads, and here they are. So we've just taken the back off this one, and then you've got a, so it's offsetting or a medium and high setting for the light. So if I check on there, that's the low setting, and there's the high setting, so they're really bright. So this is looking like, the idea is to put them in my electric hookup locker, and yeah, I'm just trying to work out maybe my gas locker, and yeah, although yeah, so I'm definitely going to go for one in my little electric hookup locker, because sometimes it's dark when I hook up, and yeah, I've got, there's 3 in the pack. So yeah, we're just going to decide, and we're like, yeah, they're really handy. So I just put one in the little wardrobe at the back of our motorhome, and tried it in there and it's super bright, so it's even handy for in there, although we've already got a light in there with a switch on it. But these are handy either way round. Yeah, so we're looking forward to sticking these somewhere. Sticking them somewhere. And the other thing we were looking at was, so we're just checking out the map here at Ladies Mile, and yeah, so we are situated in the meadow. There's the entrance there that we've come in, and then we've come on, and our pitch, we've ended up here on a pitch, but you can get some idea of the size of this site. Massive site. And then we were checking out, so up there is the little footpath down to Dawlish Warren, down towards the beach area. Not that we're going to do much sunbathing, I don't think. So we were just I'm just trying to work out which way I'm gonna, whether I go up, we might walk up through the site or walk down to the main entrance. I've got this weak lane, it's called, it runs up. So we'll finish off our coffee and see what happens. Yeah, so the rain stopped. The rain has stopped, and we are heading out the camping, up over the hill, and heading towards Dawlish Warren. Just come across the Mount Pleasant Inn as our first little pub en route, although we're not going to, I'm going to head on down over the hill, but there's the first pub anyway, which is probably what we've been walking 10 minutes from the site. Their little veranda out here where you can see Dawlish Warren Beach. So this is quite a nice spot on a nice day. It's not bad this afternoon actually. Now the rain stopped. gone a little bit quiet. The waves have died down. We've just come out on this little jetty off the land here, up by the railway track, and over that way is Dawlish, with the railway track. It gets a hit with the weather, and yeah, so the other way around there we've got Dawlish Warren Beach all the way along there, going across to Exmouth the other side. What an amazing afternoon to be down here. Look at this. Yeah, I've just come down on the sea defence now, and yeah, you just can't imagine how the waves are just like battering this. My God. And it comes right up over the top. You just can't imagine it when it's that high. It's absolutely smashed. We're going to go up over the bridge. just coming past the information board, and we're doing a we've just decided, a couple of shots there of the waves going up over an old Dawlish town by the look of it. Yeah, this is the look at doing the railway. Wow, this coast. Yeah, we're gonna we were gonna head inland. We've just spoken to a lady that there's a bit of a footpath up over, but we're gonna retreat back along the front where we came from, and basically it's going to take us back to Dawlish Warren, and we're going to head back up over the hill and check out that pub with a view. I think that's the order of the day. It's just check on the time a minute. So just coming down over, and it is 3:30, so that'll be perfect. So we're just coming down over the bridge. Let's check this bridge out. Caroline's waiting down the end. So this is the footbridge. It's pretty impressive, to be honest. Pretty impressive, yeah. Coming down over here, that. And yeah, Dawlish on the right, and we're going to. But this footpath along here looks like it's closed. There's a guy stood down there, but I think it's probably advisable. They're doing sea defences for the railway, so we're going to head back the other way up to where we came from, along the top, back to Dawlish Warren.
That's where they're doing. So you couldn't go on any further there.
No, it's closed. Yeah, it's closed. Yeah, that's right.